This is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and in this video I'll show you resources which you can use to either learn more about Klaviyo or help you learn how to set up Klaviyo properly, or where to find additional help if you need it. So first of all, you can always leave questions under this video, any of my videos, and me and my team records video answers to all your questions. So please, any additional questions, feel free to leave them below and we'll respond to them, and we'll post video response in a few days. Second resource is Clara Academy. They have courses how to set up the Klaviyo, how to use segments, how to use flows, and they will add, this is a new section of the site, and they will release more and more courses. I mean, they want you to subscribe to their service, and they are one of the best email marketing software on the market. So I mean, it makes sense for them to create free courses. Also, they have YouTube channel, which was not developed. I mean, they had for a long time, but as you can see, they have only a few subscribers, but they start releasing videos in third quarter of this year. Yeah, it's like in August, September, October, they start publishing videos here. Also on Udemy, I have my course. It's paid, it's not free, but if you are a new subscriber, I mean, it's this business model of Udemy. They always put $9.99. Like even I put here $1,000, they will do $9.99. So if you want, you can buy this course. There's 2 hours of the videos, and it will show you how to set up all flows for your store. And the last thing is subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have Klaviyo tips and tricks playlist, and also we planning to release soon premium flow playlist where we'll show you advanced ideas for flows which you can use for your business. Also, as I tell you before this, oh, by the way, and 2 more things. Chat, if you have paid account, let's do Klaviyo, but it has to be paid. It cannot be free. You will have live chat, and so chat and Klaviyo support is very helpful. They can help you answer all of your questions. Sometimes they need to submit a ticket if you have like a more technical issue, but they there to answer any kind of your questions. So this is another resource. And the last resource is Upwork. You can hire somebody like me on Upwork. My services are a little bit expensive on the market, so I do not recommend to hire me. I'm a bad salesperson. Unless your budget allows to pay me, and you have a lot of, if your revenue is like at least 1 million a year, you can hire me, and I'll help you to increase your revenue at least by from 15 to 30%, like 15 or more percent at least. Yeah. But you can hire somebody on Upwork. And the last thing I forgot, we have email marketing support. Yeah. So on one of our services that we provide is support. It's unlimited support for your technical issues, anything you want us to do. If you want us to create a flow, revise the flow, review flow, and provide you feedback, create a form. I mean, anything that you might think of, except creating design and creating content for your emails, we can do for $97 a month. So basically, you submit a ticket, we will work on it and submit back. So it's 100% unlimited. So you can submit as many requests as you want. So, and the last part, as I said you before this video, you can submit any of your questions under this video, and we'll be glad to answer any of your questions. Thank you.